Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 10a. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10a. First, I would like to show you how to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 10a using buttons. Hold down the power and volume down buttons on the phone's right side. Release both buttons at the same time. Your Pixel 10a will make a snapping sound and a miniature version of your screen will appear on the bottom left side of the screen. That's it. Screenshot captured. Method 2. First, open the screen that you would like to take a screenshot. Then swipe up from bottom of the screen and release finger. Here you will see screenshot. Tap screenshot. That's it. Screenshot captured. Finally, I would like to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot on Google Pixel 10a. First, you need to take a screenshot. You can use the button combination power and volume down button. Then, beside the thumbnail preview, you will see an option called Capture More. Tap on it. Drag the screenshot window until you capture what you need. A magnifying glass on the side will show you what information the screenshot will include. When done, tap the Save button on top left. That's it. Scrolling screenshot captured. To check your all captured screenshot on Google Pixel 10a, open Photos, go to Collections, scroll down and you will see Screenshots option. Tap on it and you can find all the captured screenshot. So these are the steps to take a screenshot on Google Pixel 10a. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.